time, it's a moment of truce for Narendra Modi government. In a little over 2 weeks, his finance minister Arun Jaitley will be presenting the government's budget for FY 2014 and 15. India isn't expecting just another statement of the government's accounts this time around. Rather, all eyes, domestic and global, are on the policy signals and ease of doing business that Modi has promised everyone. Ruchi Bhatia joins us now with the mechanics of the union budget and some key expectations. Ruchi?
The D-Day has been decided. The government has announced the budget date. The budget session will begin from the 7th of July, and on the 14th, the government will present the rail budget on July 8th, the economic survey on July 9th, and the union budget on July 10th. But why this budget is such a keenly watched budget? Simply because it is going to be the first policy document by the BJP government that will effectively lay down a roadmap for the economic policy making in the country. Apart from that, it is going to be the first budget of the finance minister Arun Jaitley. Could it be the turning point for India's economic history? Because growth has been slowest in a quarter of a century. Inflation is certainly hurting India, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already spoken about tough decisions that he will have to take. We will be keeping an eye if the budget could be a place where the government will go ahead and announce tough measures to fix the fiscal.